Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna play TFS. See? Yeah. Okay, let's just start playing again. Yes, I'm at the beginning. I'm not in. I'm not that good. Physical camera. Today we are gonna try to land with no gear, as you can see. Okay. Boom. Oh, look, another plane. Let's use our rudders. Brakes. Oh god. Sorry, this is so low quality. Oh god, this is so hard to do it while recording. And usually I'm good at this, but not when I'm recording. What? Oh my god. Oh god. Go. Yes, we're gonna do it. I hope so. Wait, there's another way. Move out the way. Move out the way. Move. Oh no. That's not good. That is certainly not good. We need to land. Okay, let's land. Maybe I'm thinking maybe on the field. Okay, I did